What's up, y'all? We got a brand new carrier out here with some problems going on. So here's the system view. I have an alert. It's a brand new unit. Let's go down and see what we got going on here. The fault is going to shut you off. Alright, so we got a 220 refrigerant dissipation fault. That's a refrigerant leak. Let's go back. Let's see what the alert is, because we got alert and fault lit up. And 171 economizer feedback is open. Alright. So that's our faults. First thing I do, I come and open everything up, y'all. So this is everything right here. We're gonna hit the power, and we're gonna go over to the economizer where the fault is occurring. So here's your economizer wiring. Pretty much, you get your motor. You got a red, a green, a black, a white. All right. And this right here is your refrigerant sensor. All right. Well, that's the board for the sensor. There's the sensor, the actual sensor. So I looked in there, kind of just took a good look at everything, and there was no problem. The reason this is a shutdown fault is because when that sensor alarms, the damper should open, and the damper is closed. So that's the damper fault, right? The damper should open to allow fresh air in there with that gas. If you got something going on, right? Fresh air. So it didn't happen. So what do we got here? When I came and opened this up, no power. So that should have had some lights on it telling me something. Nothing. So I had no power on that sensor, and I had no power on my damper. Now, right here is your economizer. So if you ever put an economizer together or something, you want to go to this your wiring diagram. You'll see your economizer. It'll tell you your plug destinations, and then if you got wires coming off, it'll tell you some stuff. But we'll get to the meat. This is telling me that the pink and brown are going here. My red, which is going to power this unit, goes up and over to TB4, number 5. So I get on here, I start looking for TB4, and I get here. So there's TB4, all right? When we get to TB4, TB4 is going to take me to this transformer. So let's go there. That's why it's important to learn how to read a wiring diagram. You learn how to read the wiring diagrams, and you'll take less time trying to figure out what's going on. So I turn the power back on. I come back over here. Here's my transformer. So instead of spending a lot of time looking for a refrigeration fault or a leak or something, you come right here. Look, there's the transformer. There's TB5 right there. All right. So I checked TB5. I got no power on it. I should have 24 volts. You follow the wire, TB5 comes to this transformer right here. I take the power on it, and I got power going in. Got 280. But when I get down here to the 24 volt side, 24, I got nothing. So this issue can be solved by replacing the transformer. And the fuse didn't go out, just transformer went out. Since it's new, that transformer should be under warranty. And this is 5-minute check with a wiring diagram. So learn to read your wiring diagrams and make everything easier. I'm out.